Race number 4. Anytime now. The favorite Royal G Jai-Ho Pinup class. Away they go, Tabel, I am on fire, wind beneath my wings, Royal G Danori inside, Queen of Class, racing in P by the rail, is Jai-Ho, livelihood, Lealtad, it's Tabel, Royal G by the rail, Royal G, Tabel on the outside, I am on fire, racing in third by about 2 lengths, moving up by the rail, is Queen of Class, wind beneath my wings, Jai-Ho, is racing in 6 by about 2 lengths alone, Lealtad, livelihood, and Chip of Stop running at the tail of the field. Another 4 turn, Royal G by Anek Tabel, Queen of Class, moving up by Daryl. Royal G, Queen of Class, Danori inside, and racing in third is Tabel as they race the last 500. Royal G by Anek, Queen of Class, running Danori inside. I am on fire, racing in third as they swing for home. Royal G, Queen of Class, happy and popping for the lead. Royal J, Queen of Class, Danori inside, firing up for the lead. Queen of Class, Royal J on the outside. Queen of Class by a length, followed by Royal J in second, and nearing the finish line, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Queen of Class. Second, Royal G, Lealtad, I am on fire.